Okay, this is introducing the 24Q system. And this, of course, also has a power option. It hooks in through the back here. Do you need this? No. But it charges the system up while you're doing it. So now this is obligated to go off with a Sparky or an E-match. Again, in case you missed my last demonstration, all you do is you stick the end of the fuse into this guy right here, you pinch it up, and you've got this one finished. And this guy's done too. Okay. This is a little bit simpler of a system, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It's 24 Qs, which is broken down in two groups of 12. It can also be fired either manually or with a remote. The selector switch here tells the system whether you want the A side to go off. On that side, it tells you whether you want the B side to go off. It's got a fire indicator, on-off power switch, and a test. Alright, you can close the system down if you wanted to. You're using the remote to protect the insides. If you're manually firing it, you're going to have shooting wire hooked into these guys and firing it off at a distance. Let's do a little bit of both. First one I'll just fire manually. We're currently on. We've already tested the first one and it works. We'll go back to fire. If I were to push this button right here, you're going to see one of the Sparkies fire off. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that fired off. Now if you wanted to use the remote, it has to be plugged in. So I'm going to go ahead and get the extension cord and we'll plug it in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and plug the unit in. See that little red light came on. Okay, we're going to move this thing back a little ways and we'll go ahead and fire it. Again, it's going to be the second slat, which would be slat B, and it's going to be the first Q. So we slid the selector switch all the way over to that side, and we're going to push this button in 3, 2, well actually let's close this thing up so you can see how it would be in the field. 3, 2, 1, firing. And that's how you do it right there. Again, the systems still have to be further tested. We have the 3 that we're considering for manufacturing. We've got some computerized versions that should be available in the next month, and we'll certainly go from there.